Welcome to our tutorial on how to search in the calls history in WhatsApp on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to quickly find a specific contact's call history in WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp application on your PC by launching it from your desktop or taskbar. Step 2. Look for the Calls option, usually located on the left-hand side of the WhatsApp interface. Click on it. Step 3. Once you click on Calls, you will see a search bar at the top. Click on the search bar to activate it. Step 4. Enter the name of the contact whose call history you want to search for in the search bar. As you type, WhatsApp will automatically filter and display the relevant call history matching your search query. By following these simple steps, you can easily search in the calls history of WhatsApp on your PC. This feature helps you find and review specific call records for a particular contact. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy seamless communication on WhatsApp.